Sigala diving school in Eilat in Israel, and I'm going to be scuba diving today for the first time in my life. So I've snorkeled all over the world, but I've never had an opportunity to find somebody that actually does scuba diving where you can literally just take a half an hour quick course, and they literally take you underneath the water and allow you to have an experience without doing a full-on 1 week program. But they do offer that. So really interesting that Sigala offers any clients that are suffering with diabetes to actually, they have a special program for those people that teach them how to breathe and how to handle their blood sugar level underneath the water, and also those with disabilities. If you're ADHD or if you suffer with a disability, autism, they also take special people along to go and experience this phenomenal underwater magical place of the Red Sea. So looking forward to sharing this journey with you today. Oh, so excited. Bucket list. Oh. So this is the beautiful Sigala Shoham and her Sigala diving school here in Eilat, and as I said earlier, I'm looking forward to going on my first scuba dive. Thank you, Sigala. So what are we expecting for today?
Well, today we're going to see one of the most beautiful reef life in the Red Sea, and we do it shallow and very nice dive. So I'm really excited to show you and share with you this experience.
Oh, thank you so much. So take us through, what are we going to, how are you going to put me in a wetsuit, or what is the protocol from here?
Yeah, so first we're going to put we fit in the equipment, and then we have a short explanation how to do and what to do, and only then we will go drive to the dive site, which is in the south of Eilat, and then we go into the water and enjoy.
Fantastic. Okay, so let's go inside and see.
Follow me. So this is the BC, and this is part of the scuba unit, and we have also the regulators.
Okay, and that's what I'm going to be breathing through.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
And of course we have the cylinders, the tanks.
Okay.
And then I will assemble this soon. And we have also plenty of wetsuits.
Wow.
Because this is the summer version, and this is the winter version, and this is the women's section.
Oh, funny. Good. We have a women's section.
And of course we have different kind of fins.
Okay.
And I will spoil you really comfortable ones.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And also mask and booties and weights.
Oh my goodness. Oh, so I'm a little bit nervous. Is it normal to be a little bit nervous?
Yes.
Okay.
It is.
Great.
But I have to tell you that this is okay feeling, because this is normal for people to be a bit nervous because they don't know what they are going to experience. Yes. But at the moment I will give you the briefing, and you understand that it's so easy to do it, then it's really fun and everything go really easy.
Fantastic. Yay. Okay, well we're so excited. Let's do this. Time to get
it
out.
Let's do it.
Tell us a little bit. We're going to go diving now. We've got all the equipment here, and Sigala's going to take us through the process of what is going to happen today.
I want to say a few things that it's important for us as divers to know. So, when we get to the dive site, we will gear up, put everything on us, and then walk to the water. It will be diving from shore, because the shore here are very easy to get in, and it's very comfortable. When we go there, then I will assist you to put the fins on, because now we have the whole scuba gear. So I will assist you to put the fins and mask, and then we take a few minutes to get used to the feeling of breathing from regulator.
Okay. So there's no going out by boats, it's all done from the shore, okay.
Yeah, so it's And then after we done with this stage of feeling comfortable and okay, this is the point that we actually starting our dive, because you will see that this device will be, when we enter the water, it will be full of air.
Okay.
And when we like to dive, you will see that I will deflate it.
Oh wow.
And slowly we will start our descent. First we will be in 0.5 meter, 1 meter, See that we feel comfortable, and only then we are starting the swimming underwater. Few things that are very important for us as divers. First of all, we always breathe normally, which means we have the regulator in our mouth. This is the regulator. Okay, so we take air from here and we exhale also from here. So it's always in our mouth, in and out, breathing. If in any case we feel like we have a little water or something not as it should be, then for us it's very easy. We just press here, the demand button, and we get extra supply of air, or clean if we have a little water, like when we are snorkeling.
Yes.
So here we clean. Press it. Very easy. We do it when it's in our mouth. So first of all, we breathe normally. We never stop our breath underwater. And this is the main rule when it comes to diving and breathing compressed air.
So when you breathe out the bubbles, that's when the bubbles
Yes.
you see. Okay.
You will see the bubbles, and you're also going to hear the bubbles.
Okay.
And it's really nice to feel, because we also hear really clear our breath.
This is almost like an underwater meditation.
Yes.
Okay. Wow, exciting.
Yes.
All right.
We get into the water.
Yes.
When it comes to the meditation underwater, it's not only breathing; it's also we surround by water, like we're going back to our mother.
Oh, in the womb. Yes. Oh, wow.
So it's
beautiful.
It's
Very
all
special.
together. So this is about breathing.
Yes.
The other things that we must take care of is our ears, because water are more density.
Yes,
From when we compare it to air, it means that all the changes value, we feel it.
Yes, yes.
So we will have the same feeling as we descending. Sorry, not descending.
Going down into the water.
Yeah, like in the aircraft.
Yes,
that
it's the
we
same.
landing.
Going landing. Okay, got you.
So we will have like, we have to pop our ears.
Okay.
Now, usually when people in the aircraft, what they do?
That you drink them.
Yes.
You won't be doing that underwater.
So we chewing gums, we do like this, and so on. But we cannot do it underwater. Okay. Underwater, we use the system that we block in the nose and we pop up our ears. Okay. So we take a big breath from our regulator.
Okay.
And then, please try it, see that it works.
Okay.
Yeah. So we do it only on the way down, and we might doing it like 5-10 times, depends.
But how do I hold my nose when I've got the...
Oh, this is the next step actually.
I was thinking, do I take that off?
So you see that this part is very soft. All diving masks have this part. It's very important to hold, so we can hold the nose and equalize our eyes.
Equalize, yeah.
So, and this is we do only on the way down, okay. Never on the way up.
Right.
Okay, because the changes, what we need to equalize, it's only on the way down. Okay. On the way up, the body do it by itself. Okay. So naturally. We are not interfering.
Okay.
Yes.
But
okay.
Even though we're not going that deep, do we still have to do that?
Yes.
Okay.
Especially the first 10 meters, they are the ones that...
10 meters, are we going down?
No, no.
Ah!
But let's say, when it comes to diving, we know that every 10 meters, it's 1 atmosphere.
Okay.
So the first 10 meters, you feel the changes.
In the ears.
Yeah, you feel more the changes than from 10 meters to 20.
Okay.
Okay, and this is something that we teach in our open water diver program.
Yes.
It's how to do it. The differences. So we have the mask, and it's fitting us. We already checked that it's sealed, and it's okay. And usually, yes, when we dive, we have no water inside at all, and we enjoy diving. Sometimes the water that we have from the outside is pressing also this.
Okay.
And suddenly we have the feeling like we do have some water in our mask, but it's not.
Okay.
So before we think about the water, then we just look down, okay, and see if we do have or not.
Okay.
And if we do have water, then we will do something when divers are doing, and it goes like this. The mask is like this, yes?
Yeah.
So when we have water in our mask, we take a big breath from the nose, and then we exhale, from the mouth, and then we exhale from our nose, okay, like this. Okay?
Yeah.
So this way, the water, the air that we are exit from our nose, go up and press the water out.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yes. So we don't do this under the water?
No. You just do...
Blow out the nose. So breathing in?
Yeah.
I mean, breathing...
breathe. And...
Okay. Got it.
Okay?
Okay.
Anyway, we are not going that deep. So in any case, we want to go up, then it's so easy. We will ascend very quickly because it's 3 meters.
Okay, so that's not
it's
so bad.
not that deep.
Yes.
It's very comfortable and very safe. So this is about the mask.
Okay.
So far we talked about the way we breathe, the way that we equalize, and also how we work out with the mask. Usually when we dive, we don't want to interfere too much the animals,
Yes.
the fish
Yes.
and aqua life. So we will not move our hands,
Okay.
because basically what moves us underwater are the fins.
Okay. Oh, that's
Okay.
a nice fin. I like that one.
I like it too.
Yeah.
So the fins are helping us to move underwater, which means we do not need to swim with our hands. So actually the breathing is relaxing breathing, and from time to time we're gonna give a kick, slow kick underwater.
It's like a mermaid.
Yeah, slow, 1 and 2, and this is the way we move underwater.
So there was none of these?
No.
Just, okay.
No. And we will try to remain with our bodies like on the belly, horizontal. And you will see that I will play a bit with your BC, like that we will have natural buoyancy. Okay, not negative, not
Yes.
on the bottom,
Yeah.
and not positive on the surface. So it will be natural buoyancy, and we look at the fish, and we maybe take some nice photos or videos, and it's wonderful underwater. When we dive, we use hand signals.
I'm going to be like...
Yes.
I know this is okay because we did a day snorkeling.
More hand signals is sometimes I will point the ear, I will tell you ear, or I will touch your nose. It's to remind you to equalize your ears. Okay. And this is, of course, watch this. If I see something interesting, then let's watch this.
Okay.
This is relax, slow down. And sometimes people go in the water and suddenly they're like, so
Okay.
relax, enjoy. And this is, sometimes we are moving from horizontal position and we stand up to look at something nice. And this is the time for us to move on. And so I will ask you to...
So it's quite easy just to go down.
Yes, I will
Okay.
ask you to be horizontal again so we can continue our way.
Okay.
Okay?
No! But it's easy enough. Yeah.
Yes. And this is swim, like move with your feet.
Yes.
Okay? And this is just, sometimes I say to people, no swim, because I want them to enjoy and
yes,
relax
yes, yes.
and just to see. And let's see.
Yay.
Let's see us.
We'll see you later. No, I'm so excited. Thank you.